In a world where every penny counts and the line between thriving and surviving blurs, comes a tale of resilience, strategy, and wisdom. Welcome to Adulting on a Budget, essential expenses you need to know. Imagine unlocking the secrets to financial freedom, mastering the art of budgeting, and navigating the adult world with confidence. Today, we're diving deep into the unspoken truths of managing your money, the expenses that catch you off guard, and the strategies that can save you from the brink of a financial cliff. Stay with us as we unravel the mysteries of essential expenses, share lesser-known facts that can change the way you view your wallet, and provide you with a blueprint to safeguard your future. You'll learn how to prioritize your spending, why that insignificant coffee purchase might not be so trivial after all, and where you can cut corners without cutting the quality of your life. This isn't just another budgeting video. It's a journey to becoming the architect of your own destiny, $1 at a time. So, why should you watch till the end? Because knowledge is power, and in this case, it's also wealth. Welcome to Future Proof with HN, where we don't just predict the future, we prepare you for it. If you're ready to take control of your finances, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this adventure together. Embarking on the journey of adulting can feel like navigating through a dense forest without a map. But what if you had a compass pointing you towards your treasure? That's exactly what financial goals do for your budgeting voyage. They are not just numbers on a spreadsheet. They are the milestones that mark your path to success. Imagine setting a goal to save for a down payment on your first home. This isn't merely a target. It's a dream taking shape, a future home where memories will be made. Each dollar saved is a brick in the foundation of that home. Clear financial goals like this transform abstract concepts into tangible results, giving your budget a purpose and your efforts a direction. Now, let's talk motivation. It's the fuel that powers your financial engine. When you're weary from the daily grind, remembering your goals can reignite that spark. They remind you why you're choosing to pack a lunch instead of dining out, why you're taking public transport instead of hailing a cab. These choices aren't sacrifices. They're strategic decisions propelling you towards your aspirations. Financial goals also act as your personal accountability partner. They keep you honest, challenging you to live within your means while still pursuing what matters most. Whether it's furthering your education, starting a business, or simply building a safety net, your goals ensure that every financial decision is a step forward, not backward. In essence, setting clear financial goals is like plotting your course on a map. It's about knowing where you want to go and understanding the best way to get there. And with each goal met, you're not just managing money. You're crafting the life you envision for yourself, one budget at a time. In the grand theater of budgeting, your income takes center stage. It's the protagonist of your financial story, the hero that battles against the onslaught of bills and expenses. Accurately recording your monthly income isn't just a mundane task. It's an act of empowerment. It's about knowing your worth, down to the last penny. Consider this. Every dollar you earn is a soldier in your army, marching towards the goals you've set. To deploy them effectively, you must know their strength in numbers. Underestimating your income could lead you to over-restrict your spending, denying yourself the joy of well-deserved rewards. Overestimating, on the other hand, is like sending your troops into battle without armor, leading to potential financial defeat. Now, let's shine a spotlight on the unsung heroes of your income. The side hustles, the freelance gigs, the occasional bonuses. These are not mere extras in your financial play. They are the supporting cast that can turn the tide in your favor. Including all sources of income ensures that you have a complete picture, a panoramic view of your financial landscape. It's the difference between seeing your finances through a keyhole and watching them on the widescreen. By meticulously tracking every stream of income, you're not just accounting for your earnings. You're crafting a narrative of financial clarity and control. It's a story where you're the master of your funds, directing them with precision and purpose towards a future of stability and abundance. As you step into the realm of adulting, your wallet becomes a canvas, and the expenses you paint on it are the essentials that keep the picture of life vibrant and functional. Rent, utilities, groceries. These are not mere transactions. They're the brushstrokes of daily survival and comfort. Rent is the cornerstone, the shelter that hosts your dreams and shelters your ambitions. It's a fixed expense, a constant in the equation of your monthly budget. Like a steadfast friend, it remains unchanged, providing stability in the swirling sea of financial obligations. Utilities follow, flickering like candles in the wind. Electricity, water, gas. These are the elements that power your home, the invisible forces that make modern life possible. They, too, are largely fixed, predictable yet vital, pulsing through the veins of your household. Then there's the sustenance, the groceries. They are the variable expenses, the wild cards of your budget. One month, they whisper gently in your ear, promising savings as you feast on seasonal produce. The next, they roar like a storm, as holiday feasts and special occasions demand a tribute. Understanding the dance between fixed and variable expenses is like learning the rhythm of a song. Fixed expenses set the tempo, steady and reliable. Variable expenses bring the melody, rising and falling with the tides of life. Together, they compose the symphony of your financial plan, a harmony that sustains you from one month to the next. In the tapestry of financial well-being, budgeting is the thread that weaves through the fabric of your daily life. It's a simple yet profound act of balancing the scales of income and expenses. To create a simple budget, you begin with the cornerstone of your finances, your income. This is the stage where every dollar you earn takes a bow. From this, you gently subtract the cost of your essentials, the rent that anchors you, the utilities that illuminate your life, and the groceries that nourish your body and soul. This subtraction is not just arithmetic, it's an art. It's the delicate dance of numbers that reveals the surplus or deficit in your financial story. But a budget is not a statue, rigid and unchanging. It's a living, breathing entity that evolves with your life's ebb and flow. As your financial goals emerge from the horizon, your budget flexes and bends to accommodate them. Want to save for a vacation? Your budget whispers, adjust here. Dreaming of a new car? Your budget nudges, tweak there. This constant adjustment ensures that your budget is not just a reflection of your current state, but a map that guides you to your desired destination. It's the compass that points to true north, aligning your financial journey with the aspirations that sparkle in your eyes. So, as you chart your course through the waters of finance, remember that your budget is your most loyal navigator, steering you towards the shores of your dreams, one adjustment at a time. As you weave the fabric of your financial future, savings emerge as the golden threads that add resilience and richness to the tapestry. Within the framework of a budget, savings are not merely a line item. They are the cornerstone of financial security and the springboard to achieving your dreams. Think of your savings as a loyal guardian, standing watch over your future self. Prioritizing savings in your budget is akin to planting seeds in a garden. Initially, they may seem insignificant, but with time and consistent care, they grow into a bountiful harvest that sustains you through life's seasons. Here's how you can nurture these seeds. Start by carving out a space for savings in your budget, just as you would for any essential expense. This act of prioritization ensures that saving money becomes a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. Aim to save an amount that feels comfortable, yet challenges you to stretch just a bit further. For short-term goals, like an emergency fund or a much-needed vacation, consider setting up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account. This strategy works like the steady drip of a faucet, slowly filling the basin of your aspirations drop by drop. When it comes to long-term goals, such as a down payment on a home or retirement, look to instruments that offer growth potential, like high-yield savings accounts or investment funds. These tools can turn the gentle stream of your savings into a powerful river, carving out a path to your most ambitious objectives. Remember, the art of saving is a personal journey. What matters most is not the size of the step you take, but the consistency of your stride. With each dollar set aside, you're building a fortress of stability that will stand tall against the winds of uncertainty. In the grand narrative of your financial life, debt is often cast as the villain, lurking in the shadows, waiting to derail your plans. But it doesn't have to be this way. Handled with care and foresight, debt can be a tool that helps you build, rather than break, your financial future. Let's start with the basics, financial literacy. It's the shield that guards you in the battlefield of debt. Knowing how to wield this shield means understanding the terms of your debts, the interest rates, and the repayment schedules. It's about making informed choices, whether it's taking on a student loan, a mortgage, or using a credit card for rewards. Now, imagine your budget as a fortress. Within its walls, you allocate resources to keep the fortress strong, paying off debts strategically, targeting high-interest debts first, and never letting the ramparts crumble under late fees or penalties. This is responsible debt management, a deliberate, disciplined approach that keeps your finances secure. But what about the unexpected? Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. This is where your emergency fund comes into play. It's your financial moat, protecting you from the unforeseen expenses that life throws your way. Whether it's a sudden medical bill, a car repair, or a job loss, an emergency fund gives you the breathing room to handle these shocks without falling deeper into debt. Building this fund starts small, perhaps with setting aside a portion of your income each month. Over time, it grows, providing a cushion that can mean the difference between a minor setback and a financial disaster. It's the peace of mind, knowing that you have a backup plan, a safety net that allows you to face life's uncertainties with confidence. In the end, managing debt and preparing for unforeseen expenses is about taking control of your narrative. It's about writing a story of financial resilience, one where you're the hero, equipped with knowledge, planning, and a solid emergency fund, ready to face whatever twists and turns come your way. As we draw the curtains on our journey through the essentials of adulting on a budget, let's take a moment to reflect on the financial wisdom we've shared. We've navigated the importance of setting clear financial goals, the art of income assessment, and the critical role of essential expenses. We've demystified budgeting basics and illuminated saving strategies that pave the way to financial freedom. Remember, the power to shape your financial destiny lies in your hands. The strategies we've discussed are more than just advice. They are the tools you need to build a future that's robust, resilient, and rich with possibilities. It's time to take the reins, to control your finances with a budget that reflects your goals, your dreams, and your values. And now, we turn to you, our viewers. If you found value in our video, if you felt the spark of inspiration to take charge of your budget, then don't let this moment pass. Hit the like button to show your support, and subscribe to Future Proof with HN for more insights that prepare you for the future. Together, let's embark on a path of financial enlightenment. Let's transform our relationship with money from one of stress and uncertainty to one of confidence and control. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us as we continue to future-proof our lives, one budget at a time. Thank you for watching, and remember, your future is what you make it, so start crafting it today.